Hello everyone, I am Rajeshri Dhok from 3rd year BR student. In this video, I am going to present my design project Modern Art Gallery. In brief, the National Gallery of Modern Art is the premier art gallery under the Ministry of Cultural Government of India. Its collection for more than 700 works by 2000 plus artists. Aim of this art gallery creating and explore spaces with an increasing need of spaces for a new artwork and art form changing with the time and their requirement like permanent exhibition spaces, archives, auditorium, library spaces for 30,000 titles, gallery, cafeteria. Case study National Gallery of Modern Art Mumbai located in Sir Kazi Jahangir Public Hall, MG Road, Mumbai. Designed by Sir Arthur Bloomfield. National Gallery of Modern Art Mumbai was opened to the public in 1996. Initially known as the Sir Kazi Jahangir Public Hall, it was converted into the National Gallery Modern Art Gallery in 1996. It hosts various exhibitions and art collections of famous artists, culture, and different civilizations. It had a ground floor area of 1,500 square feet and two-step gallery, and the gallery area 30,000 square feet. There are as many as floors dedicated to the artwork. Ground floor plan is central hexagonal plan, and its impressive Mallar stone facing and dome ceiling has been left intact. Its inner has been completely changed for modern art to attract people of the street, so each gallery is on the half level. Just below the dome, complete circle without column and 80 feet in diameter. A central spiral staircase takes the view of all the way up. Site is located in the Old Shakti Mela compound, Dr. E. Moza Road, Mahalakshmi, Mumbai. Total area of site is 32,000 square meter. Land coverage of building is visualized as a solid mass, while public spaces formed by the street, parks and plazas are represented as a void. On the west side there is a 24-meter wide road where on one edge of site is attached. This road usually full of traffic and opening of site. On the southeast side there is a railway track which will be cause vibration and loud noise, and also railway area which will be lead to crowd in that side. On northeast side there is a barren land on which trees are grow naturally. There are might be possible for any other building rise there in future. आफ्टर डूइंग द साइट एनालिसिस, साइट को मैंने 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है, जैसे कि मूविंग, साइलेंस, एंटरटेनिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग एरिया. वेस्ट साइड देर इज़ अ 24-मीटर वाइड रोड एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रैफिक एरिया एंड साइट ओपनिंग. दैट्स वाई उस साइट को मैंने मूविंग एरिया क्रिएट किया गया है. मूविंग एरिया में पार्किंग एंड शॉप एरिया हो गए. साउथ ईस्ट साइड देर इज़ अ रेलवे ट्रैक, मोस्ट ऑफ द नॉइस लाउड नॉइस एरिया, इसलिए उस साइड एंटरटेनिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग एरिया क्रिएट किया है. एंटरटेनिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग एरिया में ऑडिटोरियम, टेम्परेरी म्यूजियम एंड कैफेटेरिया एंड वेटिंग एरिया क्रिएट किए गए हैं. ऑन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड देर इज़ अ बरियन लैंड एंड लेस नॉइस एरिया, इसलिए उस साइड साइलेंट एरिया क्रिएट किया गया है. साइलेंट एरिया में लाइब्रेरी, एडमिन ऑफिस एंड गैलरी क्रिएट की गई है. Ground floor plan. The west side there is a entrance on the 24-meter road. Entering the site there is a creating a landscaping area and some sitting area. After entering the site, visitors see the whole building view. Main building entrance area has been created a glass roof pathway, and both side of has been created water body and landscaping area. Art gallery is overall structure to create a simplicity space to retain the best modern art. Visitors have the option to walk through the auditorium side and water bodies area. Entrance direct the visitor through to open to sky courtyard. Courtyard also serves as a place to sit and relaxing after the walking and standing session at the building. In a gallery feature movable wall panels that increasing the display spaces. Auditorium design in 2.1 level up to the ground. Auditorium first floor designed for a 250 seating capacity and second floor 350 seating capacity. Entrance left side area designed for admin block and seminar hall. Two gallery divided into one courtyard in a two courtyard. Um, and water body courtyard designed for an open exhibition courtyard. Right side of entrance creating a focus museum and curved permanent museum block. Curved and deeper space are created in order to get a largest viewing spaces. Auditorium basement a plan. Dark wall indicate the auditorium basement area. फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऑफ ऑडिटोरियम में 0.9 लेवल के रैम्प से विजिटर्स को ग्राउंड फ्लोर ऑफ एरिया में लेके जाता है. ग्राउंड फ्लोर एरिया डिज़ाइन फॉर द वेटिंग एरिया एंड exiting area. Exit area open in a large courtyard. Parking basement plan. West side entrance for the basement parking area. Parking area designed for a 120 four-wheelers and 100 two-wheelers capacity. There are two cabinets for the watchman and security purpose. One cabinet is entrance side and second cabinet is exit side, and also toilet area provided for visitors. Section A dash cut through the auditorium. Auditorium containing three floors: ground floor, first floor, and second floor. Ground floor for the existing area, first floor for the entrance area. Auditorium first floor containing first lobby area. After crossing lobby area, there is a main stage and sitting area. Section B dash cut through the seminar block. In the focus of museum, glass shells dominate the outer area of museum and is used for the display and focus artwork. Section C dash cut through the library and gallery block. Library has two floors, first floor for a reading area and second floor for the book storage. In gallery, sliding movable panel allow for the creation of multitude of display spaces which is in the positioning of each work. There is a top view of building and the main entrance of the building view, and there is a cafeteria sitting view and outdoor sitting also. The simplicity is achieved through the materiality. The flooring is in subtle green natural stone and white color or backdrop. There is a waiting area for admin block and open exhibition, site entrance area, auditorium view on the second floor, and courtyard area to entering the main building.